Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install the sandboxed solution version of the Templates Manager application. Here I have a site hosted on SharePoint Subscription Edition. And as you see, I've created a new communication site here. And the first thing I need to do here on Subscription Edition is to make sure that I have the site assets library. Actually, the solution will work without the site assets library, but I prefer to have it there because it makes everything more transparent and you can see exactly what's going on. If you don't have that, then you're going to need to go into site settings and then manage site features. And there are a lot of features that enable the site assets. So for example, I'm going to do the wiki homepage one. I'm going to activate that feature. Takes a few seconds. And then I'll go back into site contents. And there are my site assets. So now when I have the site assets, I go into my site settings. And there I found the solutions there. Now, if you don't see solutions, then most likely you're on SharePoint Online and scripting is not enabled. If you have permissions, of course, to go into the site and upload solutions here, then you should see it. So I go into solutions, upload the solution, and I click choose file. I have mine on the desktop here. As you see, it's named after the latest version number to make sure that you have the latest one. And so that we communicate around the latest version as I add new features and hopefully not fix bugs. So now I'm just uploading that file. And once that's done, I need to activate it. Now this solutions gallery only exists in the root site of a site collection. So if you have sub-sites, then you only need to do this once for the root site. Then on all the sub-sites, you can just enable the feature, which is what I'm going to do next. Now it's uploaded and I can activate it. So now you see it's there and it's activated. Now I can go into site settings there and find the site features. And in site features, and there in alphabetical order is the templates manager for SharePoint and with the same version number, of course. So I activate that. And then I can go into my documents library. And there you see the templates manager button working. That opens in a new page, which is in the site assets. That's why I wanted the site assets. And now it's searching for a library and it can't find one. So I can create one in the organization. It's part of another demo. So we won't do that at the moment. That shows you how to install the sandbox solution. Thank you for watching this demonstration.